Last week, I canceled 6 subscriptions and cut $54 a month. Not because money's tight, but because a free AI now does each of their jobs, and in a couple of cases does them better. I'm going to walk you through all 6, exactly what replaces each one. And because I'm not here to sell you a fantasy, the one subscription I looked at, thought about canceling, and deliberately kept because that app still wins. By the end, you'll have a cancel list you can actually run tonight, and probably your own $50 a month back in your pocket. Here's the quiet truth about your subscriptions. Half of them are tools that AI made redundant in the last year, and you're still paying out of pure habit. You signed up back when they were the easiest option. They auto-renew, the charge is small enough to ignore, and nobody ever pings you to ask, "Do I still need this?" Meanwhile, the exact job that tool does, the grammar fixing, the little design edit, the transcript summary, is now one thing a free AI does in seconds. You're not paying for value anymore. You're paying because canceling takes 10 minutes and no one reminds you to. So let's do the audit they're quietly hoping you never sit down and do. To be fair, I'm not going to tell you to cancel everything. That's the clickbait version, and it's wrong. Some subscriptions still earn their keep, and I'll show you the exact one I kept and why. This is a real list of what I actually canceled and what I replaced each one with. Let's go. Number 1. The writing assistant. Grammar, rewriting, fixing tone. I was paying about $12 a month for that. A general AI chat does all of it now for free, and it'll explain why it changed something if you ask. Canceled. Number 2. The simple design app one used for quick social graphics and thumbnails. For basic images and text on a background, free AI image tools cover it completely. Gone. Number 3. The transcription and note summarizing tool. Now I just paste a transcript into an AI and ask for a clean summary with action items. I get it instantly for nothing. Canceled. See the pattern already? Anything that was one narrow feature is now just one small thing a general AI does for free. Number 4. A content ideas and caption generator I paid for to beat the blank page. An AI brainstorms 50 ideas and writes the captions on command. There's no reason to pay for that as a separate app. Number 5. A basic coding and spreadsheet formula helper. Now I describe what I want in plain English, the AI writes the formula or the little script, and it explains each part so I actually learn it. Canceled. Number 6. An everyday translation app. For quick, casual translation, a message, a menu, an email, a general AI handles it well enough that I stopped paying for the dedicated one. That's 6 subscriptions gone, about $54 a month back, and honestly I haven't missed a single one, because none of them were doing anything special anymore. Now, before you go on a canceling spree, here's the part that actually saves you from a mistake, because there's a line, and if you cross it you'll regret it. Not everything you pay for is a feature AI absorbed. So here's the one subscription I looked hard at and kept. My bookkeeping and accounting software. And here's exactly why it survived the cut. AI replaces the general version of a task, the writing, the summarizing, the quick design. It does not replace a deep, specialized tool with real expertise baked in. The live bank connections, the tax rules that update every year, the audit trail, the fact that a mistake there costs me real money. I tried to make an AI do it. It gave me confident, tidy-looking numbers that were subtly wrong. And in accounting, subtly wrong is just wrong. So I kept paying gladly. And that gives you the actual rule for your whole subscription list. This is the part to remember. For every single thing you pay for, ask one question. Is this a narrow feature a general AI now does, or is it a deep, specialist tool with real expertise or data behind it? Cancel the features. Keep the specialists. If you genuinely can't tell which one it is, that's usually a sign it's a feature, and a free AI can probably do it, so test it. The goal was never to cancel everything. It's to stop paying for the things that quietly turned into commodities while you weren't looking. So here's exactly how to run this tonight, fast, in about 10 minutes. Open your phone's subscription list. On your phone, it's all on one screen in your settings, every recurring charge in one place, and just seeing it is a wake-up call. Go down it one by one and ask the feature versus specialist question. For anything that reads as just a feature, before you cancel, do a 10-second test. Try that exact job in a free AI chat. Ask it to fix the paragraph, summarize the notes, write the caption. If it does the job well enough, cancel on the spot. You can always resubscribe, and you almost never will. And here's the move that makes this actually stick. Set a reminder to repeat this audit every few months, because new subscriptions creep back in, and AI keeps swallowing more of them. One audit tonight gets you the quick win. A recurring audit is what keeps the money. That right there is the difference between people who feel richer on the same income and people who don't. They stop paying for what they no longer use. So that's 6 subscriptions AI let me cancel, the 1 specialist I kept on purpose, and the single question feature or specialist. That tells you which is which for everything else you pay for. Roughly $54 a month, back, for 10 minutes of work. I put the whole thing on one page, all 6 categories, the exact free AI that replaces each, and that feature versus specialist test as a free cancel and swap list, so you can run your own audit tonight without having to remember any of this. Grab it, it's linked for you. And then tonight, do just one thing. Open your subscription list and find one charge you could test against a free AI. Just one. One cancel is one win, and it almost always makes you want to keep going. See you in the next one.